Hello, everybody, and welcome. Come on in to Jenny's place, aka the Crazy Country Couponer and her crazy friends. Yep, that's where we all hang out, and we hang out here because we save so much money. And well, you want to do that too. So come on in, and on your way in, please like the video. Yep, stop right now, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just sliding by, well, let's hook you up because we don't want you to forget to subscribe below. Because, well, we like having a lot of crazy friends, and you'll like it too, I promise. So look below and hit that subscription button and make sure all your notifications are on, and that way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. And make sure when you visit, you read the comments. And if you have a question, feel free to ask it. One of us will answer it for you. All right, everybody. Well, I'm sure by now you've checked your digital coupons and found them, well, quite lacking. So let's concentrate on some of the coupons that we've already have and still may have, and the new sales that we've got going on until Dollar General drops us some more coupons. Now, of course, one of the hottest deals going on is the 3 for 15 Coke products and the $2 coupon, making them 3 for 13. Now, we also have the Edie's ice cream. We've got several urns on that. We have a coffee sale for $6.50 on the Folgers and that $18.50. Now, this stuff is $9 normally, so that's a sale in itself. But you've got $1, I think, off of 2 digital coupon. It's an older coupon. Now, if you didn't get your Power Wash stuff from Dawn with that buy one get one free coupon, you missed out this time, but that's okay because we still have that $1.50 off, and it's going to make that Power Wash $3.50. We of course still have our Febreze coupons going on. We have $1.25 coupons on Purex All Snuggle. So, and they're on sale, $3.75. So it's going to make those products $2.50. That's a winner deal. We got a couple of different Tide coupons, so you know. So Tide would be a good bet if you like Tide this week. But we've got an instant savings when you spend $20 on Arm & Hammer products. And it's just not the detergent. And we've got a coupon for some toothpaste. And then we've got several coupons for the Arm & Hammer detergent. So we'll visit that deal. Even though I posted it already in the early activation, we'll revisit that deal again. Now we have $1 off on the Scott toilet paper, and it's on sale for $4.75. The Brawny's on sale for 2 for $8. And then we've got the $7 Ultra or the Premium True Living paper towels, and you've got $1 coupon off on that. Next big deal right here, guys. This mac and cheese, 2 for $6. This stuff is normally $4 a piece. So you're saving $2 right off the bat. So the mac and cheese, and you've got urns for 75 cents off, and you can do up to 5. So it'd be an extra $1.50 off. So it'd be like 2 for $4.50. Yeah, winner on this mac and cheese. We also have dollar Campbell's soup, so stock up on those, and those dollar rice, flavored rices. Again, a good staple to have in your cupboard. We've got a sale on Triscuit and wheat thin crackers, 3 for $7. We also have a dollar coupon. I think it's a dollar coupon, but I'll check on that and we'll put it here. The Kellogg's Toastal Strudel on sale, $3.25. These things are normally $4, so 2 for $7 on the Bevita breakfast cookies. You've got a dollar coupon off of 2 on that, so that's a savings there as well. 2 for $6 on your Nature Valley or your Fiber One or your General Mills cereal bars, and you've got a dollar digital, so 2 for $5 on that. And you've got a dollar when you buy 2 digital coupon on the Dunkin' coffees. So wow, no extra instant savings. And no more bonus money right now. So hopefully they'll give us something special in a couple of days, because always check your DG accounts every day, because they usually post 1 or 2 things new. So what we have left is paper products. We've got the Sparkle for $3.75, and we got a 50-cent coupon for that. You got a dollar off some Cottonelle toilet paper, a dollar off of Scott paper towels, the 50-cent off the Bounty paper towels, and the Charmin. And just so you know, those are glitching on the dollar aisles items for that. And we do have the PG rebate going on for when you spend $30, you'll get a $10 rebate, but you have to apply for that through the mail or online at pglaundryrebate.com. And you'll find that in your ad or right there. So it tells you what you have to buy to get this refund, or rebate, should I say. So this is your preliminary best deals review. And like I said, we'll have you a Arm & Hammer scenario ready to go, because you can do that Arm & Hammer deal any day of the week, because it does have that bonus 5 off. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.